Paris. Is that Gigibonta for the first time?
And we've got 2 days. I've got 2 days, 1 day left before I leave. So I'm spending my time wisely, looking at the ice creams. And if you come over here, they have lots of different flavors and different size cups.
Look, it's cheesecake.
Yes, lots of different flavors. Caleb, do you want to say anything?
Caleb doesn't want to say anything. Okay.
Lemon. The first is lemon. Lugom.
Let us know in the comment section below which flavor you would choose.
Okay.
Apple.
Oh na 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 yeah. Shaka.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, baby, wale yeah. Now you can always make a call you, oh yeah. I love you from Monday to Sunday, yeah. Now you they make a man for you.
Hey guys, so we are Gigibonta now. I've got my niece and my nephew here. So first of all, you have to get a token before you can choose your flavor. So I got my token and I got 4 tokens. I'm going to pay now 100,000 Leone. Any of those, do you want one as well? Okay. Okay, then we'll say 210. Okay, so we've got our tokens. We have a wide variety of flavors. We're going to choose which one we want. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be so hard to choose. So you can only choose one flavor. Oreos. Okay, so
Have you?
Oreos, you can
No, wait. I think you should test it first. Wait, shall I hold it?
Okay. Oreos. 1 Oreos. Yeah.
How do you like it?
Kim is here. Kim, say hello to the camera. Hey. What flavor do you want? Here's your token.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is my sister-in-law, my nieces, and my nephew choosing the flavor of ice cream that they want. So I'm getting pistachio. That's it.
What did you like the cheesecake? Can I try a bit when you get it? I think I'm gonna get pistachio.
Pistachio is yummy.
Pretty sure.
Thank you so much. So that's mine. I got pistachio. Yummy. Oh my god, look at that. So good. Happy girls. We then went off to Radisson Blue after having ice cream, pizza at Gigibonta, and the kids really had a good time at Radisson Blue. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope I've left you better than before. Please like, comment and subscribe, and let's grow this channel together. Hey.